Hey, I did a starter on 2014 q70L. To make it clear on what I actually done, I actually took this plate down. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. We remove that place down. Then you have 2 bolts, 19 millimeters for the rack and pinion. You take those out. Then you disconnect the linkage for the steering and push that up out of the way. Remove this bracket right here, and the starter will come out of this hole. You have to take the tie off so you can get to the positive terminal on the starter. Other than that, you can access it down through here, and it makes it a lot easier if you move this bracket, and then the rack will fall out of the steering rack will fall out of the way. That's a quick short tip. I don't know if my video for putting this starter in was clear enough, but that's the simple way to do it, and I just went through it for y'all. And any questions or comments, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next one.